Okay, so today we are doing puzzle 78, like the assignment that I put up there yesterday. It said everybody attempt puzzle 78, and we're gonna do it. But before we start that, we're gonna get into our mission. Like always, we talk about our mission. You are strong, loved, and beautiful because of the way that Christ created you. And because he gave you strength, you can accomplish anything. So whatever you want to accomplish, go at it. Basically, that's what it's saying. Let's get down to puzzle 78. There's not a lot of pencils. I'll be right back. I'm just gonna get a pencil I can use. Puzzle 78. Here we go. Puzzle 78. Let's have a look. This is our puzzle. I'm gonna stop the screen share. Way we can see this thing better. Let's have a look. What's our first step? S1, TMBs and ramifications. Step 1 is TMBs and ramifications. Step 2 is LCRs and ramifications. That's what we're gonna do. Step 1 and step 2. Let's go through this. Once, not enough info. Because there's only one here. Twos are completed. Threes not enough information. Fours, not enough. Fives, not enough. Wait, fives. We got a 5 on the bottom, 5 on the top, and you have 5 in the middle. Goes there. Look at ramifications. There are none because there's not 2 5s. Sixes. Only 1 6, not enough to help. 7s, same thing. 8, same difference. 9, same difference there. Let's move to the next set of boxes. 1s, nothing. 2s, not enough. 3s, we have a 3 on the top. We have a 3 on the bottom. We need a 3 in the middle. Where is it going? Right there. Because of this 3 here, it's not going here. Ramifications of that 3. Ramifications, we look at the opposite. We're doing TMBs. The opposite of a TMB is an LCR. So 3 on the right, 3 on the center. Now we need a 3 on the left. That goes here. Ramifications. Look again. Opposite of LCR is a TMB. But there's only one number, so we can't use ramifications here. 4s. Only 1 4. Not gonna do it. 5s. Only 1 5. That's not gonna do anything for us. 6s. Only 1 6. 7s. Got 7 on the top, 7 on the bottom. We need a 7 in the middle. So there's 2 possible places. So we're gonna note take the 7s here. Can't be there because of that. 8s. There's only 1 8. 9s are done. Let's move forward to the bottom row now. 1s. 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. So we need a 1 in the middle. 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. So we need a 1 in the middle. That becomes a 1. No ramifications. Just the opposite of a TMB is an LCR. 2s. Not enough 2s. 3s. Not enough 3s. 4s. There's not enough 4s. 5s. We don't have enough 5s. Not a good day for us right now. 6s. We got a 6 in the middle, a 6 on the top. We need a 6 on the bottom. Both places are still possible. So let's do all the 6s there. 7s. 7s are done. 7 on the top, 7 in the middle, 7 on the bottom. 8s. 8s, there's not enough. 9s. Still not enough. Let's move forward here. Let's go. That was step 1. Now we need to move on to step 2. LCRs and ramifications. We got a 1 on the left, a 1 on the right. We need a 1 in the center. Good. 1 in the center. Look for ramifications. Opposite of an LCR is a TMB. There are no other 1s. 2s. We got a 2 on the left, 2 on the center. We need a 2 on the right. So it could be one of those 2. 3s. 3s are done. 3 on the right, 3 on the left, 3 on the center, 3 on the right. 4s. None there. 5s. 5 in the center. That's it. We don't have any. But what can we now identify? Because there's only 2 cells left here. We have a matching pair of a 4-8. 4-8. That becomes a 4-8 matching pair. Remember, this is not a what? An 8. So that becomes a 4, and so that becomes an 8. Ramifications. Let's look at ramifications of each. TMBs of that 8. 8, 8. So there has to be an 8 either here or here. Let's look at another ramification. LCRs. 8, 8. 8 on the left, 8 on the center. What needs to be an 8? Right there. So now we know another matching pair goes here. It's not always step by step. These are not always straightforward. But this can give us some very good insight. This is a very good strategy to go about solving these. We have this matching pair. We have to keep matching pairs in mind when we do this. Let's look. All these cells are taken except for these 2 in a row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What are we missing? 6 or 7. 6 and 7 we're missing. These have to be 6 or 7. Both of these. So what remains? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not one of them. But look, this cannot be a 4. That becomes a 5. So this becomes a 4. Let's look now. Ramifications of those. Top is a 4. Middle is a 4. Wait, top is a 4. Bottom is a 4. We need a 4 in the middle. It's got to be there. That LCRs are complete. 5s. Just filled in a 5. You have 5 on the bottom, 5 in the middle, and you have 5 on the top. Now look at the ramifications of that. LCRs. It's all ramifications today. We got a naked single here. What don't we have? A 2. Right. Ramifications of that. 2. For LCRs, 2s are done. TMBs. 2 here, 2 there. We have a 7-2 matching pair here. Because look, either one of these have to be a 7 or a 2. Both of these. So what else don't we have? in the square. A 1 and a 6. This has to be 1 or 6. So is that. Let's look at the ramifications of the 8 because we almost forgot about these. The middle is an 8. The top is an 8. The bottom needs to be an 8. It's not that guy. It's this guy. So we have to remember this is a 1, 6. And so is this a 1, 6. So we have a lot of matching pairs here. And matching pairs are the key to success of Sudoku. And we also have a matching pair here of a 2, 5. 2, 5. Matching pair here. But look, what can't that be? That can't be a 5. That's a 2. That's a 5. Challenger puzzles, when you get there, may not have the information that will get you the puzzle solved. So that's what makes it harder, because there's going to be less information when we get to the harder levels. We also have a matching pair here of a 6, 9. Because there's 2 cells left, of which can be 6 or 9. Keep looking before we continue LCRs. 6 or, this has to be what? 6 or 7. Look at that. That can't be a 6. That's a 7. That's a 6. This has to be 6 or 9. What can't this be? A 6. That has to be a 9. So this has to be a 6. We are doing good so far. Let's continue. We can do LCRs. This is done. Let's go to here. LCRs right here. 1. 1. So one of these is a 1. We know that. So we have a 1 on the right, 1 in the middle, 1 on the left. Where can it be? There. It has to be here. Ramifications of that 1. We got a 1 in the middle, a 1 on the bottom, and a 1 on the top. That goes here. Now we have a naked single. This is also a matching pair here before we did this of a 1, 7. So that becomes a 7. And so, we know that that's not a 7, that becomes a 2. So this becomes a 7. So these boxes are getting filled. Like that. We are completing this. So now, what else don't we have? So let's continue our LCRs. Let's move on to 2s. We got 2 in the middle, 2 on the right, and a 2 on the left. It can't be here, so it's got to be there. Ramifications, CMBs, they're good. 3s, we don't have enough information for 3s. But look, we have a hidden single, naked single, of which has to be a 3. So now we have a 3 in the middle, a 3 on the right, and a 3 on the left. And so we have another naked single. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Good. We were missing a 9 there. There is no set method here for Sudoku problems. It's a strategy game. Ramifications of that 9. We got a 9 on the bottom, a 9 on the top. Where does the 9 need to go? In the middle. Middle row is here. But look at that. 9 there. 9 goes here. We're doing good here. Now that we know that this is the 1, 6, this and this have to be the other 2 numbers. This has to be an 8, 4. Because there's no 4 in this row. So that has to be an 8, 4. And so is this. this has to be an 8-4 as well, because that can't be a 4 or an 8. If we look at this box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What don't we have? A 9 still. We can do that by LCRs that you were getting to. You got a 9 in the middle, 9 on the right, 9 on the left goes to right there. 4s. We don't know. 5s. We got 5 on the left, a 5 in the center. We need a 5 on the right. We got notes for that 5, but it can't go right there. It's got to go here. 5 on the right, 5 in the center, 5 on the right, but no 5 here. So it's got to go there. And so now this becomes an 8-4 as well. But look, is this a 4? No. What is it? An 8. So that becomes a 4. So this becomes a 4. And that becomes an 8. This puzzle was literally solving itself. Now this becomes a 3-6 matching pair. And so this becomes a 3-6. This puzzle is literally solving itself. Now all we have is matching pairs. This is a 3-8. So this is a 3-8. What can be most easily solved? This cannot be an 8. We know that. That's a 3. That's an 8. That's a 6. That's a 3. And because that's not a 6, that's a 1. And because that can't be a 1, that's a 6. So this is a 1. And that's a 6. Boom! This puzzle was solved. This is puzzle 78. I'm going to date it June 1st. I may or may not be recording tomorrow. But whether or not I do, I will be back on Thursday. And we have a surprise for Sudoku. I may be attempting a challenging puzzle, a medium puzzle, or a hard puzzle. It's all going to depend on this calculator and what number it randomly generates. I challenge you all to do puzzle 77. I will post that at some point this week. My answers will be in the next video. And one way to close out is our mission. Remember our mission. That everyone, you are strong, loved, and beautiful because of the way that Christ created you. And because he gave you strength, you can accomplish anything. So I hope you all have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.